Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the project baseline. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. First of all, friend, with respect to PMP exam point of view, project baseline is a very important topic, and you will definitely see around 10 to 15 questions will definitely be there in the exam, in which your concept and your knowledge will be checked about the project baseline. Also, if you are a project manager and working in any organization already as a project manager, so you must have to know that how to use the concept of project baseline. Now, project baseline, so that means something which is related to project. We call project as, like for example, you are initiating a new product, service, outcome, so that is called a project. For example, you are launching a new mobile application, so that is a project. Project is always unique and always temporary. Now, baseline is the bottom line actually. Whenever we talk about baseline, basically we are talking about bottom line. Bottom line means through which we measure the performance of a project. With respect to baseline, we have three main factors, three elements: scope, cost, and schedule. Scope is basically called as the deliverable which we are going to deliver to the customer. For example, you have to deliver 5 modules to customer, for example. So this is a scope, the boundary of the deliverable. Okay, so that is the scope baseline, that we have to deliver 5 modules to customer. That is scope baseline. The budget of the project is $5,000. So this is the cost baseline. Schedule baseline means that we have to deliver the project within 5 months. Now this is the schedule baseline. So 3 baselines are there: scope, cost, and schedule. Whenever we are initiating a project, we baseline the project. Baseline the means that the target with respect to scope, cost, and schedules are decided and agreed with the customer. Now what is the purpose of baseline actually? The purpose of baseline is that we want to measure the performance of the project with respect to scope, cost, and schedule. See if the things are not going in the right direction. So that means the baselines, we are not going as per the target baseline. For example, the schedule of the project says that the baseline is 5 months and that the project should be completed in 5 months. After 1 month, you calculate the things and you realize that the project will not finish in 5 months. So that means that you are not going as per the required baselines. It was decided that the project should be completed in $5,000 cost, and after 1 month you realize that the cost will be required as $10,000, for example, required cost. So that means you are not going as per the cost baseline. Now the main purpose of the baseline, either cost, schedule, or scope, the main purpose is that to measure the performance of the project. If the performance is okay, that means okay, all the things are okay. If the performance is not okay, then you have to take the action accordingly. That is the main purpose of measurement of performance with respect to scope, cost, and schedule. Now if there is any change request occur, now change request means that changes in the scope, schedule, or cost due to certain reasons, that customer wants to add new module, customer wants to add more schedule, for example. So that is due to that reason, the baseline will be revised and the change request will become part of the baseline. For example, initially it was decided that 5 modules are there which you want to deliver to the customer. After 1 month, customer realized that one more module is required, and with proper change request approval and with integrated change control process and change control board, it has been approved that one more module will be required to the customer through change request process. So now the baseline of the project will be revised, and now the project baseline with respect to schedule, with respect to scope, it will be 6 months, and similarly the effect of the change request will reflect on the cost and on the schedule as well. So with respect to change request, once the change request approved through the change request integrated change control process, the change request will become the part of the baseline, and baseline will be revised accordingly as well. Now the project performance will measure as per the updated baseline with respect to revised baseline of cost, scope, and the schedule. So basically that is the main concept of project baseline, that you want to measure the performance of a project so that you can take the action if things are not going in the right direction with respect to, and the measurement of performance is based on the three factors: scope, cost, and schedule. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.